preparation, needs, components and modes of pre-service teacher education programs for different school levels. Pay 3 for Odisha B.Ed and Education Honours. Teacher preparation, needs, components and modes of pre-service teacher education programs for different school levels, preschool, elementary, secondary, higher secondary. Introduction. Teacher preparation is the training and education given to people before they become teachers. This is called pre-service teacher education. In India, different levels of school, preschool to higher secondary, need different types of teachers. So, the training should match the level. A. Needs of pre-service teacher education. 1. To prepare quality teachers. Good teachers help children understand, think, and learn better. Teacher education builds knowledge, skills, and values in future teachers. 2. To understand child psychology. Teachers must know how children think, grow, and behave at different ages. This helps in better teaching and classroom management. 3. To learn teaching methods. Every subject, math, science, language, needs different teaching methods. Training teaches how to use activities, technology, and projects in class. 4. To build communication and classroom skills. Teachers need to communicate well, manage class, and handle different types of students. Teacher education provides practice and confidence. 5. To know educational policies and values. Teachers must know about the Indian education system, rights of children, and rules like right to education, RTE. They should follow ethical values like honesty and equality. B. Components of pre-service teacher education. 1. Foundation courses. These include philosophy, psychology, sociology of education. Help teachers understand the social and emotional needs of learners. 2. Subject knowledge. Teachers study in-depth content of the subjects they will teach. Example, a science teacher studies science deeply during training. 3. Pedagogy, teaching methods. Teachers learn how to teach different subjects effectively. This includes child-friendly methods, storytelling, group work, and experiments. 4. ICT integration. Teachers learn how to use technology like smart boards, mobile apps, and digital resources in class. Indian example, training includes using Diksha app and online learning tools. 5. Internship school experience. Future teachers go to real schools for teaching practice. They observe senior teachers, take classes, and handle students. Example, in B.Ed, students go for 4 to 16 weeks of school internship. 6. Assessment and evaluation. Teachers learn how to check students' learning using tests, activities, and observation. Focus is on both marks and child development. C. Modes of pre-service teacher education. 1. Face-to-face, regular mode. Training in colleges or universities. Includes lectures, group work, assignments, and school internship. Example, B.Ed. Course in CTE, College of Teacher Education, Rourkela. 2. Distance mode. For people who are working or cannot attend regular classes. Study materials are sent by post or online. Indian example, IGNOU and NIOS offer teacher training through distance mode. 3. Blended mode, online plus offline. Combines classroom learning and digital learning. Useful after COVID-19 when many teacher education programs shifted online. D. Teacher preparation at different school levels in India. School level. Training program. Duration. Key focus. Preschool, 3 to 6 YRS. Diploma in Early Childhood Care and Education, ECCE. 1 year. Child Care, Playway Method, Language Development. Elementary, classes 1 to 8. D.L.Ed, Diploma in Elementary Education, or B.L.Ed. 2 to 4 years. Child Psychology, Subject Basics, Activity-Based Learning. Secondary, classes 9 to 10. B.Ed, Bachelor of Education, 2 years. Pedagogy of specific subjects like science, maths, etc. Higher secondary, classes 11 to 12. B.Ed plus master's degree in subject. 2 plus 2 years. Deep subject knowledge plus advanced teaching strategies. Conclusion. Pre-service teacher education is very important to prepare skilled and confident teachers who can handle learners of all ages. In India, the system is slowly improving with new training methods, technology use, and better understanding of child needs. A well-prepared teacher is the key to quality education and nation building.